Marty here again. I've got one of the highest requested songs that I've received, and it's the acoustic solo, To Wish You Were Here. I'm going to break it down phrase by phrase, okay? And I will be very patient with you. So let's take it nice and slow, phrase for phrase, and I think you're going to enjoy it. Ready? Here we go. Okay, phrase number one. Okay, that's the phrase. Here we go. We're going to take, I'm going to use my middle finger on the second fret of the G string, and I'm going to pick it and slide it up a whole step. First finger on the third fret of the B string, that. Then ring finger on the fifth fret of the B string, to my middle finger on the fourth fret of the G string, to my first finger on the third fret, back on the B string, like this. Check it out. Okay, next part. Ring finger, fourth fret of the G string. My first finger is going to be planted back on the second fret of the G string. I'm going to pick it once, pull off, all with one pick. Like that. Check it out. With one pick. And if you kind of pull it down a little bit, it'll help them ring out. Then, the open D string. So here's what we have so far. Last thing, okay? Take my middle finger, and I'm going to slide it from the first fret to the second fret on the A string, and then the open D string twice. Here's the end of phrase number one. Alright, let's learn phrase number two. Okay, so we're going to take our first finger on the high E and the B string on the third fret. I'm going to pick it once and slide it up a whole step and then back down. Okay, then my first finger on the second fret of the G string and my middle finger on the third fret of the B string. And I'm going to do the same move, a whole step slide up and back. And then open on that. At least the G string, but you can hit the G and the B, it's alright. So here it is, phrase number two. That's what we got so far. And then you can use your first finger from the second fret, sliding up to the fifth fret. Here's phrase number two. One more time real slow. Okay, here they are together. Alright, let's learn phrase number three. Okay, that's the third phrase. Here's what we're going to do. That same slide as the phrase one, middle finger on second fret of the G string. That's the same. But then back to the fourth fret with my middle finger on the G string, and then ring finger on the fifth fret of the B string. Okay, then it's going to be bent up a bit, and it's going to be bent, I believe, before I pick it. My middle finger on that fourth fret again, back to my first finger on the third fret, then I got to do a weird kind of switch to the second fret on the G string. Okay, now, this is going to be a little tricky. I'm going to get my ring finger on the fourth fret of the G string, and I'm going to bend this up, and right after it's bent, and it's still bent, I'm going to get my middle finger to the third fret of the B string, pinky. Now you can try and use other fingers for this, but this is how I found it to be the best. Bend, middle finger third fret B string, pinky fifth fret. Then I'm going to bend that same bend spot, bent up, and then release to first finger on the second fret. Okay, let's see if I can do the first three phrases together. Okay, hopefully you're with me so far. Let's go to, I believe, the last phrase, and then you're done, and you can go home. All right, let's check it out. Okay, the last phrase starts the same way as the one before it. Okay, check it out. Same exact thing as the one before. So we bend this one up from the normal. I really think of it as kind of a variation on the one before it. Alright? So let's see if we can actually do the whole thing. I want to hear from you, so sign up to the right, make your request, and hopefully this was up to par for you. Obviously, classic tune. Yeah, hope to hear from you, and I'll see you the next time. Later.